Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find the equation of the tangent line to the curve at the given point. So we have our function y is equal to sine x plus cosine x. So the first thing we're going to need is to get the form of the line, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use slope-intercept form. So we have y is equal to mx plus b. So we're going to need to find m, our slope, and b, our y-intercept. So we're told that the tangent line is or this line is tangent to this curve at this point, 0, 1. And if this point is on the line, then that means this point is the y-intercept because x is 0 at this point. So we're looking at y is equal to mx plus 1. Now all we need to do is find the slope, and we're going to use the derivative to find that. So our derivative dy dx is equal to the derivative of sine x is cosine x. The derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. So we're going to have minus sine x. And we're going to evaluate this at x is equal to 0. So dy dx at x is equal to 0 is cosine 0 minus sine 0. Cosine 0 is 1, sine 0 is 0, so it's 1 minus 0, which is 1. So this is the value of the derivative of the curve at the point. This is the slope of the tangent line. Right? So if you have some parabola, right, and you have a tangent line, at that point they have the same slope, right? So this is going to be 1, so it's y is equal to 1x, or just x, plus 1.